Hello everyone! Kumusta? Welcome to my channel! Smells just so good. This is a wallet of chain. Beautiful, no? Oh my goodness. So for today's video everyone, this is from Starbrand Fashion. Thank you so much for your generosity in my channel. So in return to that, this is my appreciation video to you, Starbrand Fashion, for your generosity in my channel. Thank you so much for that. I will be doing an unboxing and a detail of information of my own personal thought opinion. Okay, so I will do a try on, also an outdoor try on to this brand. I always do a try on outdoor, guys, and a little bit information about the Starbrand Fashion, guys. As we all know, this is another online store in the market that carries luxury replica products such as bags, a lot of accessories, clothes for men, women, and kids. They carries those kind of products. And shoes, of course. So summer is here. It's about time for you to give a gift for yourself. I've been telling this always all the time. It feels great when we give a gift for ourselves. Really does. So I got their information through WhatsApp. I have here, and through email too. You can go check online. I will put all the information below here in this video for all these companies' information. So, and you can take a look some of their samples. We do have the latest design now, and it is very in, right? So take a look on that. So you can have an idea of what product they are carrying into market. All right, so please go check, guys. I have all the information below, their WhatsApp information, their email, everything is below in this description video. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin to unbox it. I can't really wait. Okay, please see me in the inside of this unboxing, and of course, I will always do a try on outdoor to this, okay? And again, please careful in using sharp objects, okay? Ta-da! Oh, cute. So tight. Okay. Ha ha ha. Oh, cute pack. Cute. All right. Oh, look at that. It's sealed, guys. Okay. With an engraved name. I hope you can see that. The engraved name. They engraved that name. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, this is like a wallet of chain. Okay, so I got this. And there is one compartment here with the engraved name. Hope you can see that. And let's proceed. Take this off. Oh, I love this. Let's carry on. So this is like for the card. This is a card holder with a name on it. I hope you can see the name clearly. So with the name on it, this is a card holder to put in here. Not really sure. I'm hoping I'm doing the right thing, okay? So looks like that. And this one too is for maybe the money or something. So okay, let's take a look here. The inside material looks like a light leather material, okay, with the name on it. I hope you can see it clearly, okay, with the name on it. And guys, you hear that? Oh, zipper slide smoothly. Oh my god. And let me smell. Oh, it smells so good. you know, the pricey, the smell that's the, you know, the pricey smell. Huh. Okay, so the lock has an engraved name. Hope you can see that clearly. Okay, so that kind of lock with the engraved here too at the same time. And by the way, I got the paper information here, you know. So strap handle, you know. And I hope you can see this. There is an engraved name on it. And so in the other side too, both has an engraved name. Okay, so this is how this we connect here. Okay, lock is perfect. And so in the other side. All right. Oh my God, this is perfect. Beautiful though. The material inside is, I don't know what kind of cloth is this, but perfect. It looks like very heavy duty. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Star Brand, for this. And so, oh guys, smells just so good. You know that pricey smell? It is. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's do check the stitches. Everything looks perfect, right? Very. Who can tell that this is a top grade material or a top grade product, right? So let's check in the inside. This is, the inside is just perfect though, for because we have this for the card. Everything, all the cards will fit in here. And in the card holder, there is also a space for cash. As you can see that, right? Lots of rooms for cards and cash. And we have this for the money, like cash. So we can keep all the money here, cash here too, right? And at the same time, they also have another pocket. Generous, I would say. And the material, guys, it's just, you know, the material that is a very, feels like original, but I know this is a top grade quality of product. And the material really is just like, as you can see, it's not that shiny material, and it's super soft leather. Really. Thank you so much, Star Brand Fashion, for this. I appreciate that so much. And guys, what are you waiting for? All the link and information below from this company is, everything is under this video. Please go check. Okay. Beautiful, no? Really. This is very suitable for your everyday go-to-go. Phone fit here, of course. Phone, money, all the cards fit here. And yeah, just, you know, beautiful, no? Oh my goodness. Who could tell? Okay. Please check and please leave your comments down below. Let me know your thought of this. unboxing and review of my own personal opinion. And yeah, so I can't really wait to try this outdoor. Please see me there. Thank you.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey